Hello everyone, my name is Fasayo and here are the road cultural events and celebrations for the week of June 7th to June 26th. Monday, June 8th is the last quarter of the moon, which will be seen at 6 a.m. The last quarter symbolizes release, forgiveness. It is a time to let go of outdated habits and clear emotional clutter. Be sure to look out for it. Saturday, June 13th is the feast of Saint Anthony. This day marks the anniversary of his death in 1231 and is celebrated by Roman Catholics worldwide through special masses, processions, and the traditional blessing of bread and lilies. Sunday, June 14th is Flag Day, an annual observance of the United States celebrated on June 14th that commemorates the adoption of the American flag. It is celebrated to honor the history, heritage, and symbolic meaning of the stars and stripes as a representation of the country's unity and freedom. There will also be a new moon at 10:54 p.m. on Sunday. The new moon represents fresh starts and new beginnings. Wednesday, June 17th, is a tentative date of Muharram. It is the first month of the lunar-based Islamic calendar and is considered one of the 4 sacred months in Islam. Historically, it commemorates the Hijrah, migration of the Prophet Muhammad and his followers from Mecca to Medina. Friday, June 19th, is Juneteenth, a federal holiday commemorating the emancipation of enslaved African Americans in the United States. It marks the definitive end of slavery in the United States and serves as a vital day of reflection, cultural celebration, and education regarding Black history and the ongoing pursuit of racial equality. Sunday, June 21st, is Father's Day, an annual celebration dedicated to honoring fathers, paternal bonds, and sacrifices, and positive influences that the fathers and father figures bring to family and society. It is a time to express gratitude for the love, guidance, and support provided by dads, stepfathers, grandfathers, and mentors. Happy Father's Day to everyone. It is also the first quarter of the moon, which can be seen at 5:55 p.m. The first quarter symbolizes action, commitment, and overcoming obstacles. Friday, June 26th, is a tentative date of Ashura. It is the 10th day of Muharram, the first month in the Islamic lunar calendar. It is a major religious commemoration of the martyrdom of Kabbalah of Hussein, a grandson of the Prophet Muhammad. And that is all for the World Cultural Events and Celebrations. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel at The Scholars NYC. My name is Fasayo, and I will not be seeing you next time. This is our very last one, so I'm signing out.